In this video, I'm going to go over your booking services with you. So here I am back in your dashboard, and we're going to go to booking services. So when you bring this up, you're going to see all those sample services that I set up. So you can, if you want to just edit those or delete those, whatever you want to do with those. But let's start out. First of all, I want to show you if you click on add a new service, you will see that it brings up a lot of different options. So you can do, one-on-one appointments, you can do classes, you can do courses. So obviously decide what you want to do. I typically just start from scratch, and that's what I do with those services that are on there. So let me go ahead and go into one and show you all that is available in this booking services on your Wix platform. So you've come in here, of course, we've got, you can set your appointment type, class, course, or appointment. And then I just set this up very simply, but I'll go over all of the options with you. Obviously, your service title here. You can add an image if you like, a tagline, a description, the duration of the appointment. If you want some kind of a buffer time, if you don't want appointments right back to back, you can add that, whether it's visible. Right here, you can add different categories. So you can see here on this sample site, I added facial services and lashes and brows. And let me actually show you what that looks like here. We go to book online, preview. You can see here, we've got the two different categories. So you could have that for different services, for different locations, even, whatever, even for different staff members, however you want to set that up. Let me go back here. I did want to point out, and I've mentioned it before, that you do need to have an upgraded account in order to take bookings. So now we get to price and payment here. So you can choose how clients pay per session with a plan or per session or with a plan. So that's if you have those membership plans, then you can allow people to book with that membership. Price per session, so you can have it free, varies, custom price, or a fixed price, and then put your amount in here. Your payment preferences, whether you want to be paid completely online, completely in person, or entire amount online or in person, or an online deposit, and then the rest in person. And then your location here. So let me kind of show you. I do a lot of, Zoom and online calls. So all of mine have, custom location, and then I'll put phone or Zoom, or you can put the client's location. And then, of course, they'll need to put in their address. So you can decide how you do your services. And then right here in the last video, I went ahead and added another staff member. So you can choose one or more than one or all, whoever is available to do those services. And then we kind of talked about the images here. So there's a cover image. You can add a gallery to that. And then your advanced settings right here. Online booking preferences. And I'm going to go over some of these again when I go into the booking settings. But you can automatically accept bookings, or you can toggle it so you manually approve or decline booking requests. And then I'm going to get into this again in the settings, but you can, there's a default booking form, and then you can also create a custom booking form. So that's what clients are going to fill out when they book. So there may be different services that maybe you need to know certain information. So like I said, I'll get into that when I get into the default booking form, but it's good to know that this is here. You can add those different fields. Back to our bookings here. And then finally, if you want, you can go in here to edit your SEO settings. If you want to have that show up on your SEO, then you can do that as well. So that's pretty much it. It's pretty, oh, I did want to show you one other thing. So once you kind of have the settings in there that you need and want, if they're going to be very similar or the same, then you can actually come in here and just or actually, oh, sorry, back. You can just come in here and copy. No, where's duplicate? Duplicate, there we go, sorry. So obviously if you're copy link, so now you've got a copy of your service and you can go in there and edit that. So the copy link, that's just if you want to send someone the link to book that appointment. So that's kind of the overview. You can go in there and play with setting up your services. And then In the next video, I'm going to go ahead and go into your booking calendar and how to sync that and get that set up.